Have you ever wondered how 3D printing works? Perhaps you've seen it in action, marveled at the intricate designs it can create, and pondered the technology that makes it all possible. Today we delve into the fascinating world of 3D printing, demystifying the process and bringing its magic to light. Scene script. Imagine this. You're an artist with a vision. You want to bring a sculpture to life, but you're limited by traditional means of creation. Now, picture a machine that can take your vision and turn it into a tangible, three-dimensional object. That, in essence, is the magic of 3D printing. But how does it work? The answer lies in a process known as additive manufacturing. Unlike traditional manufacturing, which often involves cutting away material to create a shape, additive manufacturing builds an object layer by layer. It's like creating a sculpture by stacking layers of clay, one on top of the other, until the entire form takes shape. The process begins with a digital blueprint. This blueprint, or 3D model, is created using specialized software. Once the model is complete, it's sliced into hundreds or even thousands of horizontal layers. This sliced model is then sent to the 3D printer. The 3D printer reads each slice of the model as a cross-sectional layer. Starting from the bottom, it deposits material layer by layer, following the pattern outlined in the blueprint. The material, which can be plastic, metal, or even food, is often heated until it reaches a semi-liquid state, making it easier to manipulate. As each layer is completed, the printer's platform lowers slightly, making room for the next layer. This process repeats until the entire object is printed. The result? A precise, three-dimensional replica of the digital model. One of the key advantages of 3D printing is its ability to create complex shapes and designs that would be difficult, if not impossible, to achieve with traditional manufacturing methods. It also allows for customization on a scale never before possible. With 3D printing, every item can be unique. To summarize, 3D printing, or additive manufacturing, is a process that creates three-dimensional objects from a digital blueprint. It does this by building up the object layer by layer, following the pattern outlined in the blueprint. The result is a precise, tangible replica of the digital model. This technology is revolutionizing various industries and paving the way for a future where anything you can imagine you can create. It's a testament to human ingenuity and the limitless possibilities of technology. So, the next time you see a 3D printer in action, remember, you're not just witnessing a machine at work, you're seeing the future take shape.